Okay, next question. The point on the number line represents the number of minutes a third grade class read during the month of September. So our number line goes from 200, then we have a halfway mark, and 300. And here's our little dot. This is the point on our number line. About how many minutes did the third grade class read in September? Okay, so we have 200, and I said this was our halfway. So what is going to be halfway between 200 and 300? If you guess 250, you're correct. 250 is halfway between 200 and 300. All right, so about how many minutes did the third grade class read in September? Did they read about 300 because the point is more than halfway between 200 and 300? Well, my point on this number line is past halfway, and it's going to be a little bit close. It's closer to 300. That's a possibility. Did they read about more than 300 because the point is before 300? More than 300? More than 300 would be extended this way. Anything before 300 on your number line is going to be less. So that is wrong. 200 because the point is less than halfway between 200 and 300. My point is not less than halfway. My point is past halfway. So that makes it wrong. And about 200 because the point is closest to 300. Well, if my point is closest to 300, then it's going to be about 300, not about 200. The correct answer is A.